Hello, what is up everyone? RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car review, and today we have the Coupeclip from the A case of 2023. Number 2 out of 5 from Hotwheels Experiment Motors. Let's go ahead and open this up. So here it is, the Coupeclip, which well, many people are a fan of in my channel because I don't know why. Maybe it's because how it looks, or maybe you're just a huge fan of it. I mean, like, overall it's a great looking casting. I mean, like, for a keychain it's fine. I mean, like, well, like the first video I've done about the Coupeclip, which was the one with in like metal flake gray, or was it Zymac? I don't remember. Yeah, that reached around 10k already. I think 10 to 11k, which surprisingly, I was so shocked that that video was already gone 10k, which, well, that kind of surprised me because well, it's a Coupeclip, and yeah, it's, well, a Coupeclip, and it's a keychain, so yeah, we can't go wrong with that. So yeah, we have it returned in this awesome looking metallic black, which I am such a fan of. I love that they've made it the color that people wanted, which is black. It makes it much more like much more a beautiful car already, car or keychain, whatever you want to say it. But yeah, it already looks awesome with this look. So let's see here. Coupeclip, as you can see, metallic black all over it, and yeah, some yellow, well, actually more of this dark yellow. I'd say more of like a mustard, dark mustard color, as you can see right here. Some dark mustard stripes over here, even some gray stripes over there, some bits and all. Hot Wheels logo over here actually, and there's the hole for the keychain to go through. As you can see, the Coupeclip right here, made in Malaysia, 2021 Mattel. And my god, I mean, sure, it doesn't have any headlights or anything, but it looks amazing, not gonna lie. I love that they made it in this awesome looking black. So the first color was basically in more of like a metal flake gray. You could check it out in my channel, I've done a review about it. So it reached around like 10 to 11k, and then I've done one in metal flake red, which wasn't really that popular. I'm not sure, did it, like, last I remembered, I thought it was like 2k. I'm not sure, the views, I'm not sure, but maybe this might go over 2k. I don't know, maybe it could, maybe it not. But yeah, overall it looks very fantastic. I love that they made it in metallic black. Looks pretty great. I love the overall looks of the car. It looks fantastic. It's great for you to put it in your collection. I wouldn't really suggest it to be a keychain of yours for like car keys, or maybe like any other keys that you want, house keys, or maybe whatever. Like, if it's just one scratch, your car will create a huge stain, like, sort of. So yeah, if you want to make this a keychain, I wouldn't really recommend it. I'll still recommend the metal flake gray, because, well, if you scratch it, it wouldn't be noticeable much. Oh, I actually have the metal flake gray here. Hold on. Yes, this is the first version that I have, which the video is basically 10k by now, which quite surprised me. There it is, the more of like metal flake gray, but I thought at first it was a Zymac. But some say it is, some say it's not, so I'll just say it as metal flake gray because, well, might be a Zymac, might be not, so just say it's not a Zymac maybe. But yeah, Overall, metallic black, awesome. Just looks very good. Yeah, there you go. That is my review of the Coupeclip. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See you in my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.